The different municipalities comprising the province of Abra in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. The province of Abra has the municipality of Bangged as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. It is composed of 0 cities, 27 municipalities, and 303 barangays. It was founded on March 10, 1917, and the total land area is 4,165.25 kilometers squared or 1,608.21 square miles. The province of Abra is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Norte, Apayao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, and Ilocos Sur. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Abra in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. We have the municipality of Bangged, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital with 31 barangays, municipality of Bolini with 8 barangays, municipality of Bukay with 21 barangays, municipality of Boklok with 4 barangays, municipality of Dagyoman with 4 barangays, municipality of Danglas with 7 barangays, municipality of Dolores with 15 barangays, and the municipality of La Paz with 12 barangays. We also have the municipality of Lacub with 6 barangays, municipality of Lagangilang with 17 barangays, municipality of Lagayan with 5 barangays, municipality of Langidin with 6 barangays, municipality of Likuan Baay with 11 barangays, municipality of Luba with 8 barangays, municipality of Malibcong with 12 barangays, and the municipality of Manabo with 11 barangays. We also have the municipality of Piñarubia with 9 barangays, municipality of Pidigan with 15 barangays, municipality of Pilar with 19 barangays, municipality of Saliapadan with 9 barangays, municipality of San Isidro with 9 barangays, municipality of San Juan with 19 barangays, and the municipality of San Quintin with 6 barangays. We also have the municipality of Tayum with 11 barangays. Next are the municipalities of Tinig with 10 barangays, municipality of Tubo with 10 barangays, and the municipality of Villaviciosa with 8 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Abra in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.